I found a new way to find niches in bulk. Okay, I created a new tool in an HTML format that I will share at the end of the video. But let me show you how easy this is to find niches in a fast way in bulk. Okay, for this I'm gonna go to, for example, Etsy. I'm gonna put funny t-shirt in the search, and then I'm gonna use the Chrome extension that I showed you before. That is this one, Image I. I didn't create this Chrome extension. It's in the Chrome store. Image I. That this Chrome extension download in bulk all the images that you see in your page, in your website. Okay. For example, now it found the 400 images, but I'm gonna select only medium size. Okay, all these ones. I'm gonna select all, and I'm gonna download. This is very fast. You can of course do this manually. Go one by one, looking for the ones you like. But I think that this method that I'm gonna teach you is even better if you have a lot of slots and you want to scale your account with every designs in a fast way. Okay, so the tool is downloading. It's taking a minute almost. Okay, now I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna go to my download folder. I'm gonna put it here in desktop, and I'm gonna start looking at the designs I downloaded. Let's see. Okay, I'm trying to find designs that I can see clearly the text. Okay, you will see why. Okay. That no will, because Tesla no this. Okay, no. I'm gonna try to find almost 50. Okay, gonna find a lot. Okay, we have already for this example a lot, like 30 designs, and I'm gonna rename them new. That way it's more clear to me covering designs, the 36 designs. And now I'm gonna show you my new app that I built. It's called PODScan Pro, and let me show you what this does. I'm gonna take all the designs I downloaded. I'm gonna drop them here. You have to use an API called this. It can be from Anthropic, that's Claude, OpenAI, or Google Gemini. In this case, I'm using Anthropic and Claude IQ 4.5. We'll see why. This app will read all this text of all the files. You can put 100 if you want, and give me the links instantly for it. For example, here, and it also give you an estimate of the cost. It is $0.002 very much. You see, it's very cheap. You click here, scrap text pro. It's very fast and takes like 40 seconds, almost ready. Okay, now this is a good part. Now I have all the long tail keywords, and with these buttons I can search in Amazon, in e-commerce on Amazon, Etsy, Pinterest, etc. Okay, I'm gonna go to the BSR with Amazon. But I see all I need vitamin C. Assault listed, that's too much. Okay, let's continue. When God make me breathe. This is just an example. Okay, Pensalt, and I knew it. It's the moisture than an oyster. Okay, these are very popular phrases, but my pet will gonna find something. Whatever that he wants, that he gets. 700, that's not a lot, that's good. And look at this, the BSR. Whatever that he wants, that he gets. First one, okay? And you have to use the wood, use your weapons there. I won't remember as a woman cool. I know that phrase also, but let's see the repetition. As open up, that's too much. Pat your feet there, cause here, how much? 60 results, that's very low. Let's see the repetition. BSR is decent. It's not quite as potato, but it's decent. You will see that this was uploaded 22 days ago. Okay, Synth Skin. And download for me. Whatever like fruit you dark. No, this was I remember it was completely low. Okay, it's very popular. That is quickly. Like see this coil, 3,000, a lot of competition, but you see how this works? A Spooky Biscuit Bakery. Okay, 68 results, very low. And look at the DSR. This is good. You see for fellow, they're all almost sealed. Okay, I like this one. You see how easy this works? I found a lot of dishes this way. You can scan almost any page of famous t-shirts, stores, etc. Okay, this I can drive a stick. This is a classic phrase. Menu. Pardon cows. How many results? No result. For the people that asked me for this tool, this purple bluish, some friend created. It's not for free. I can't give it for free, so sorry about that. But this one, I will share it the same as all my tools. I will leave a email in the description. You have to write me an email, and the people who write me in the first 2 days since the video is published will get the HTML for free. Okay, you only need to have an API key. Paying for paying, no results. Make it as not allowed. Anti my backyard. Imagine being afraid of drag queens and books. Okay, 269 results. DSR, not that fun. But this, you see, these are all results that I'm scanning fast of the first page of Etsy. Imagine if you scan 10 pages. Okay, this is funny. You subtook 10 mil. Okay, no results. Need to make 2 volunteers for that reason. This is kind of controversial, but it's a BSR anyway. Look at the BSR of this one. Need to make volunteers for a TESA. I will not download it because it's too sexy, but you wanna go free, suck it up a big cup. Okay, you see how this works? It's very easy. I will continue searching all the lists. Okay, if you want this HTML, write me an email. I'm gonna leave the email in the description. And the first people who write it to me, I'm gonna send it for free. Then I'm gonna set it in Gumroad. Okay, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye.